Hello, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to take care of your battery on Redmi A3 Pro. The first thing to have in mind is to not overcharge it. So try charging up to 90%, and even if you need to charge it over 90%, up to 100, try to unplug it as soon as it gets to 100. Also, try to not discharge it too low, so try to keep it over 20% to make less damage to the battery cells. The next thing you need to have in mind is that you cannot overheat your smartphone. So if you are in hot environment, go to settings and make sure that battery temperature is fine. So go to battery in settings, then battery protection, and here is battery temperature. If it says normal, it's fine, but if it's too hot, then you should either stop using your smartphone for a moment or try making it cooler. And the last thing is you can check which apps are draining too much energy, so you can, for example, stop them. To do it, go to settings, then go to battery, then battery checkup, and here you can see which apps drain battery. When you select this thing, you can also select suggestions, which tell you how long will be the life of your battery increased. For example, dark mode by an hour. You can also turn off haptic feedback and do more things. And when you choose the one you are interested in, click on add this time, and this will do these actions to improve your battery life. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.